Welcome to TechPacks, your partner in advanced research and development. In this video, we will be presenting the details about one of the most demanding research projects titled Building an Effective Object and Text Detection System using OpenCV and Deep Neural Networks. This research project can be extended further to publish a research paper in a reputed journal or used for your PhD or MTech thesis. So, if you are a researcher, PhD, or MTech research scholar working on a similar research project and need expert guidance to handle the complexities of research in this field, you're in the right place. Watch this video till the end to gain valuable insights into the project's objectives, methodology, and results. We'll also provide a demo of the code in action, showcasing its key features and functionalities. So, let's begin. Our professional researcher will now take the lead and guide you through the details. Here we go.
Hello friends, welcome to TechPacks Research and Innovation Services. Today I'm here to present you one of the applications that we have designed by the use of the deep neural networks. Here we have also utilized the OpenCV in order to detect the object and the text in the real-time scenario. So for this we have designed the model. So let's have a look to that. Before moving to the video, let's talk about that what we will cover into this video. In this video, we will initially talk about the application areas in which the design system can be utilized and will be useful. Then we will talk about the code that we have designed, how to execute it, what are the software requirements and library requirements in order to execute it. Then we will talk about that what people are doing and in the same domain along with what we have developed in the proposed methodology. Finally, an overview to the experimental outcomes and the simulation will be shown. So let's talk about the application areas. As the developed system is related to the OpenCV for the computer vision, so it is beneficial in many of the applications like human computer interactions, where real-time scenarios can be implemented in order to detect the automation, so like autonomous vehicles and autonomous reading of some content in the real-time scenario like traffic signals and other than that, the smart agriculture, smart vehicles, all these can be one of the application areas. Other than that, in the healthcare scenarios, in the communication, where the disabled person can use these prototypes and these systems in order to do the communication in the real-time scenarios. So now let's talk about the code that we have designed and how to execute it. We will provide you the folder in which there is a folder named code. So all the code and the system has been deployed in the same folder. We have designed this in the Python, so you must have the Python software with you. For that you must have the installation of the Python on your local system, or you can run it on any online platform, but I recommend you to get the Python on your local system. So you can download it from the internet, from their official website. Download python.org. From here you can get your Python version. Other than that, you need Python ID. So there are number of IDs, those are available in the market to run the code. So you can see ideal, it's of the Python itself, PyCharm, Visual Studio. So I recommend the Visual Studio because we are currently using the Visual Studio. Other than that, PyCharm, Jupyter, or online Google Colab can also be one of the option. So in order to run the code, we have different files to execute. You just need to open any of these three files. When you will double click it, it will get open in the Visual Studio. So you can see the file get open in the Visual Studio. We just need to go to the Explore and select on Open folder, and the current folder where the code is there, you need to select that and select the folder. You can see when I will select the folder, all the files those were there in the current directory were here. Now if such message will be there, you just need to click on the yes, trust the author. Now the file that you need to execute are three files: main live color detection, main live object detection, and main live text detection. So uh, in order to run this, you just need to select the file and click on the run button. So when you will click on the run button, a terminal will be open. It will not directly execute it, because in order to run the code, you must need to type python detect, sorry, here you need to write the file name, that is main live color detection dot py, and then hyphen image, then the image name from which you can detect the color. So In order to execute any of the code, you just need to copy it, go to the terminal, paste it and press enter. When you will press enter, you can see it is asking for the image games main live color. So there was a spelling mistake. I need to rerun it again. So when I press enter, you can see this was the original image that I have given. So you can see it is detecting the red color from it for the first time. I need to press escape key. When I click on the escape key, it will show me the second color. So here you can see the blue color is being detected. When I click on the escape again, it will show me the third color, and then when I click on the escape again, it will show me the rest of the color. So gray is the fourth color, which you can identify in all the image, right? Then when I click on the escape, it will remove all the images. So this is for the color detection within the image. So you just need to write python space the script name that you need to execute dot py with extension hyphen image, because the image will be the input, and then the image name with extension. So this is how you need to execute the code. So many of the people are working in the domain of the object detection, text detection, and many other things. They are designing their machine learning models and all, but there are many the issues with them, like they are limited with the data. So using the pre-trained models such as YOLO or Google or East models, these are the models. Those are currently available in the market. Those are trained with a lot of data set. So you can see, if you are going for the YOLO uh, object detection models, you can get the pre-trained uh, models. So these models are available officially in order to get the real-time detection of the things. YOLO is one of the East object detection models. So there are many other detection models those you can use. So YOLO v7 is currently there. So one of the model is there for the object detection. So what we have done, we have implemented the color detection by using the YOLO. For the text detection, we have implemented the East model. So East text model, frozen East text detection model. So you can see that East text detection. So we have implemented two of the models. One is frozen East and another one is YOLO for object detection. So this is the model from where you can get the pre-trained model. So color detection I have already executed. What we have done, we have made a class in which we need to give the input argument by passing this. As I already show you that you need to write python in order to run the python file, then the file script that you need to execute, then image as a input, and then image name with the extension. So here you can see pokemon underscore games.png is the file name which is already there in the current folder, so I just passed it. In the second scenario where the live object is to be detected, here you can see in order to run the code, you just need to write the file name that you need to execute, this python file name dot py proto text which model you want to use to detect, and then in which you want to deploy it. So in order to execute it, this will be the command that you need to write here. So I'm just writing it to the control v control z. I'm just copying it, copy, and here you need to write path. When I will press on the path, you can see when I press enter, it will start the inbuilt camera of your PC or any external camera that you have passed. So here you can see I am on the screen here, and it is detecting me as a person. If there is any other thing that I'm placing within the frame, here you can see if I'm going out of the frame, so you can see it is a bottle. So it is detecting it as a bottle. I'm coming back in the frame, you can see it is detecting me as a person. So this is a real-time object detection from the video that it is capturing. So in order to stop it, you just need to click on the escape button, or you can just delete it from here, kill the terminal. So when you will kill the terminal, it will stop executing. Now next, the last in which we have implemented the system with the East model, you just need to write the command again in the terminal. Here I have written it for the execution. So you just need to copy it and open the terminal. So I'm just opening the terminal here. I just need to python file name.py minus e east and the model name. When I press enter, it will again open the camera and show you the preview, in which you can pass any of the object which is having the text in it. So here you can see it is highlighting the section where there is the text detected. If I'm moving to any other direction, you can see in the back there is some text, and it is highlighting that section also. So it is detection of the text, which can be further used in order to read any of the textual books and identifying the areas where the uh, text is to be detected. So this is real-time scenarios where we are detecting the color from the images, objects from the images, and live text detection from the images, which can be further extended to any of the real-time application in the Android or Python based, in order to automate any of the scenario. So further modifications are still possible. Latest models can also be embedded to it in order to get the more accurate results along with extraction of the text. So for more details, you can contact us directly. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. For more information about this research project and to get our consultancy services, click the link in the description below. At TechPacks, we offer comprehensive support for researchers, PhD, and MTech students in the fields of engineering and ICT. Our services include selection of research topic, helping you choose the right topic tailored to your interests and the latest trends. Synopsis preparation, crafting a clear and concise synopsis with well-defined objectives. Coding assistance, providing expert help with writing and optimizing code in various tools and platforms. Research paper writing, assisting in drafting and editing research papers to meet the highest academic standards. Dissertation writing, offering complete support for your dissertation, ensuring consistency and quality. Plagiarism check and removal, ensuring your work is original and free from plagiarism with advanced detection tools. We also offer customization services to meet your specific project needs. Whether you require a modification of an existing project or a completely new application, our team of experts is here to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on cutting-edge research projects and expert advice. Thank you for choosing TechPacks. We look forward to collaborating with you on your research journey.